Guangzhou Suntok Food Machinery Co., Ltd. was established in 2013, located in Foshan, Guangdong. Is a leader manufacturer of fish processing machine, meat processing machine and commercial series machine in China. For example, fish slicer, fish scale remover machine, fish peeling machine, fish fillet machine, fish cutting machine, fish gutting machine, meat slicer, meat saw cutter, sushi cutter roller machine and fish processing line, etc. We focus on the research and development, manufacturing and sales of various types of food processing equipment for over 10 years. Shenfan is the brand we are using in domestic market. It's a well-known brand with high-quality service. In 2016, the first fish slices intelligent processing line was developed. Broadcasts can be customized according to customer requirements to provide them with a complete set of solutions. In addition, the company has successfully applied for more than 30 utility model patents and 5 invention patents for fish processing equipment. At the same time, we won the recognition and praise of our customers from all over the world. In 2023, it will be recognized as a high-tech enterprise. In the future, the company will continue to focus on the development of food intelligent equipment, focus on the development of prefabricated food processing solutions, and provide equipment guarantee and innovation for the development of the prefabricated food industry. We sincerely hope to have chances to cooperate with you.